we have a 2016 model 79 series. This particular car is Matt from Explore Life's special giveaway that he's doing at the moment. So he's asked us to put some magic into it. We've done a shorty exhaust. It's a pre-DPF, so the exhaust system's, you know, quite obnoxious. It's quite loud. It looks amazing under there, and also sounds really good. We've put our multi-mapping on this car, so it has a switch in there, so we're going to have 6 adjustable maps in this car. Some lucky person is going to get this car, and overall, 79 series, you couldn't go better to Australia. So I'm not quite sure how Matty found this car, but it's only just ticked over 100,000 Ks, and it's in, you know, considering it's a 2015 model, it's in really good nick. We just did our pre-dyno inspection, and besides a couple little things that we tidied up on it, yeah, it's rather good. Like, it's pretty impressive. We're finished up. We start off with the base file, we've loaded that in. The great thing is with our multi-mapping switch, we can switch between, you know, the 3 different tunes that are in the car on the fly, and we can log that all in one run. Saves doing, you know, one tune, then the next tune. We can log all 3 in one hit, and then go through and modify as we, you know, need to. Yeah, so this is part of pretty much our package 1. The only thing that's really different about this package is that we've opted to do multi-mapping on this particular car. Good thing is this car can mate with pretty healthy 160 odd horsepower and 400 newton meters, which is a little bit more than what I expect it is on, you know, they're fairly well standard tyres. They're not far off standard tyres, so it's sort of 10 to what I would expect to see. Then we go into our tow tune. Our tow tune's 221 horsepower and 639 newton meters. And then maximum power, which is 234 and 723 newton meters. So definitely a huge gain there. I'm sure whoever wins this car will be really happy with those gains in power. I know if I was winning a 79 and it had that power level and it drove like this, I would be pumped. So all in all, I think it's going to be a really good result. I reckon the customer will be very happy. One last thing, let's get out the front and see what Matty reckons, and let him listen to this exhaust system, this lumpy oil and a bit of limiter action, and I'm sure I'll put a smile on his face, so let's go check that out. All right.
There you go, Matty.
We're all done. So I'll show you the lumpy idle. You hear that exhaust? It's a lot louder now.
It is a lot louder. You're going to end up putting me back in a 79 series, I tell ya.
So, got a bit of limiter as well. Pretty rowdy.
Oh, mate, the Ram's going in the bin. I've missed being in a 79 that sounds like this. And this one's actually a little bit louder than my touring 79 too.
100%, yeah. So obviously, you know, in your old fashion, you want something a bit more spice to it. It's definitely got that. So it's not for the faint-hearted, but it's definitely cool.
Mate, this one's going to the Alpha Blokes Community. So they had a couple of requests, and it's loud and lumpy. And I think I was like, right, we're going straight to Just Autos. Mate, unreal. I'm going to be smiling all the way home, mate.
Yeah, definitely. I think whoever wins is going to be pumped.
They're going to be stoked, mate.
That'll be awesome.
I'm not going to want to give this one away, that's for sure.
No, definitely.
I'm going to have to buy another one. I just need a Tory 79. I don't know how you got
out of one, to be honest. Like, I love them, but...
Yeah, so do I. I just like building different things,
yeah,
but...
that's very cool.
Yeah, it's time to get another one in the fleet. Thanks, mate. Legend.
No worries, mate.
Appreciate it. Happy days.